In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your Wix domain to Squarespace, a procedure that is quite simple, yet requires keen attention to detail. Let's begin with your Wix account. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to the Domain section from your Wix account dashboard. In this section, you'll find a list of all the domains associated with your Wix account. Carefully select the domain you wish to transfer to Squarespace. Now, on to the next step. You need to find an option that allows you to unlock your selected domain. This option is crucial as it makes your domain ready for a transition to a new platform. In addition to unlocking your domain, there's another vital procedure you'll need to carry out while still on Wix. You need to secure an authorization code. The authorization code acts like a password and primarily secures your domain during the transfer process. It is uniquely linked to your domain name and is a fundamental requirement before the transfer process can be initiated. Once you have your domain unlocked and your authorization code in hand, it's time to switch gears and move over to Squarespace. Navigate to the Domain section within your Squarespace account. You will see options like Use a Domain I Own or Transfer Domain. Depending on your requirements, you may choose the appropriate option. If you have a domain bought outside of Squarespace, the Use a Domain I Own choice would be the most appropriate. Suppose you're wishing to move your domain to Squarespace from Wix. In that case, you should go for the Transfer Domain prompt. Next in line is feeding in some necessary details. This is where your authorization code comes into play. Here, you need to carefully enter your Wix domain name that you are planning to transfer. Additionally, provide the authorization code you obtained from your Wix account. This code tells Squarespace that you have all the rightful permissions to initiate the domain transfer. Finally, you are ready to complete the transfer process. From this point, all you need to do is obediently follow the step-by-step instructions provided by Squarespace. The process will include settling the transfer fees in Squarespace. Do not worry about the original registration timeline you had with Wix. Squarespace has it covered. They add the original registration time to your new registration, ensuring you do not lose out on any time you had already paid for with Wix. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to connect a Wix domain to Squarespace. Remember to follow each step carefully, and you should have your domain name up and running on Squarespace in no time.